सारे पेरेंट्स का एक ही कंफ्यूजन है, आईजीसीएसई के बाद ए लेवल्स चूज करें या आईबीडीपी में डाल दें अपने बच्चे को। रिमेंबर, दिस डिसीजन कुड बी द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल डिसीजन दैट यू विल टेक फॉर योर चाइल्ड्स करियर। आजकल एक नया ट्रेंड चालू हो गया है। Yesterday only I met a parent who was called by the school and the school was pushing their child to move into IBDP। मैं सच बताऊं, ये बच्चा डीपी में जा करके बहुत स्ट्रगल करने वाला है, because curriculum is not chosen randomly. Curriculum is chosen after a careful planning, after looking at the subject and study orientation of the child. So how do you actually select whether your child is IGCSE student to A levels or an IGCSE student to IBDP? I will tell you in this reel. तो सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है ये समझना that IGCSE A levels and IBDP both are equally respected around the world. Every international university, actual में तो अब Indian universities भी actually prefers an international curriculum student because they are far better prepared for university life. But IGCSE A levels and IBDP are two very different curriculum. और इसका डिफरेंस समझने के लिए एक बात समझनी बहुत जरूरी है। Is your child decided about the career or is your child confused about the career? Because if your child is decided about the career, IGCSE could be the right way of going forward by choosing A levels. Simply because A levels में आपको 3 से 4 सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करने पड़ते हैं and you study them with complete focus. On the other hand, if your child is still not decided about his or her career, if your child is unsure कि यूनिवर्सिटी में जाकर के आखिर क्या पढ़ना है, then IBDP could be a great curriculum for that child. Simply because ये वो करिकुलम है जहाँ पे आप 3 सब्जेक्ट्स हायर लेवल पे और 3 सब्जेक्ट्स स्टैंडर्ड लेवल पे ले सकते हो। You can combine sciences with commerce subjects and you can combine sciences with humanities subjects so that your options are always open till the time you decide your career. But एक ही प्रॉब्लम आती है, IBDP is a far more rigorous curriculum than A levels. So if your child is actually not doing well in academics, then IBDP could make him struggle further. Remember that. IBDP requires far more research. An average IBDP student will spend twice more time studying than an IGCSE A-level student. इस बात को ध्यान में रखना बहुत जरूरी है because IBDP में बच्चे को रिसर्च करना पड़ता है, एक्सटेंडेड एसे लिखना पड़ता है, थ्योरी ऑफ नॉलेज को अटेम्प्ट करना पड़ता है और कम्युनिटी सर्विस को भी करना पड़ता है. Then only they actually end up completing their IBDP diploma. So if you are one of those parents who needs to take a decision between A levels after IGCSE or IBDP after IGCSE, please consult a good counselor. It is not a random decision you should take, but the fact of the matter is, if your child is not very aggressive in his studies, if your child is not doing well in the academics and already studying, do not choose IBDP. In that case, you should either choose A levels or possibly choose IBCP as a curriculum, which is also offered by IB schools.